It is written that when all things fall down, the man who returns to the river will find 1,000,000 treasures in his heart, and the woman will soar through the heavens on wings made of precious gossamer, as the rocks tumble forth unto our straining souls by fireflies' light. So, in finding oneself amidst the darkening clouds, we seek the solace of a downpour and race along the streams of lightning to bake our bread in the hearth of the cave dwelling. For it is in this pause that our reflection bespeaks a radiant glow of spiritual flowerings, and the internal becomes the external as a universal flow of stars colliding and galaxies. As we know, to go down is to go up and around in a circle, never quitting and always falling down, to arise anew as an ancient tower in golden fields of rose petals, wherein lovers caress the trees of life, giving syrup, and the words of the wise flow into our ears like streams of effervescent snowflakes and branches and leaves and things of nature, like the slumbering bear in your heart, which is my heart, which is your heart, which is his heart, which is her heart, which is their heart, which is our heart. And so, unto our hearts, I wish several million special days in which the sun shines upon our leaves and our branches take hold and hold on.